I was just assaulted by a fish. Back at the Colby Hume recreation area for swimming and boating and stuff like that. Last time it was cold. I'll probably put it at the end of the video. Did find some stuff, which is kind of cool, but it was cold to the point where like it just drained my camera. So I forgot the golden rule of GoPros. They don't like cold water. They don't like cold. The water is actually pretty warm, but the temperature outside is cold. So I think if I get the video, you'll see like I was gonna go down and then the battery just cut out because it just, that cold air, that coldness just sucks the battery out. So not a win for the GoPro today, but I still love my GoPros. And couldn't get the water shot that I wanted, but anyway, it's gorgeous. So I got some more gear. I want to talk about gear that I have that I haven't before. This is a waterproof bag from LL Bean. It is awesome. It is what I plan on using it for. I use it for everything because it's waterproof. It's I think it's called a wax sealed bag. But whatever wet clothes that I have, like my wetsuit and whatever wet gear I have, will go and get rolled up or just put into this bag, and just put it into another bag and then leave. It's kind of chilly, so when I get out, I'm gonna be moving fast, and that is hopefully my plan. My next set of gear that I'm covering up because it's raining is I've had this GoPro 8, and I've had this light. It's a waterproof light. It is I've had it for a while. I've never actually used this underwater, or I've never actually used the light underwater. So I've used it for multiple other things. There's a button, obviously it's turned on. Oh, super bright, still super bright, and then flashing. So what I did buy is this waterproof case with the GoPro 8 and this lens. It's an underwater lens I bought. It came with the case with it has multiple different lights, or multiple different shades of red. So that way you can get the light underwater. Anyway, I'm gonna see how this works. I had the GoPro underwater multiple times, but I've never had a lens on it. So you will see. I was just assaulted by a fish. My toes were. It's spawning season, I guess, and some fish have, there's types of fish, I know bass and sunfish have nests, and the shallows where, you know, it's amazing to go snorkeling. And so I'm walking and I stop and I feel like bumps to my toes, like hard bumps, not like painful, but like definitely hitting my toes. And I look down and it's this angry fish, like 6 inches, just angry, aggressive. I was like, oh, I wonder what's going on. So I look around and I see it has a nest and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna walk the other way. And but it followed me out, like it was like a bouncer, it followed me. Angry mama fish. Anyway, that's my story. This place was fun, mainly to get out. So my interesting finds for the day are this piece. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely off of something. It's metallic, obviously. Piece of glass, which is always good to get rid of. Yeah. And this thing, which I have no idea what it is. And I'll have to find out. But, and my penny, which I dropped, and I don't know what it is. Anyway, it is, yeah, it's time to go. First find of the day is just a piece of, I think it might be melted lead. I don't really know. Check it out. But I'm at where this is Colby College property. It's also open to the public, and it's kind of like no one's here because it's a horrible day to go to, you know, anywhere. It's rainy, but whatever. Hopefully I'll get in the water later. We'll see. Oh, found a key. Colby had their alumni weekend last weekend, so it's kind of why I'm here. I wanted to come last weekend, but there's too many people here doing their thing. So, and I'm not a Colby alumni, so anyway, found someone's key. Hopefully I can return it back to him. First coin of the day, 1973. Hell yeah. That just made my day. I don't even care if it's silver. It's just a cool find. Oop, 1995.